A procedure called leukapheresis or leukoreduction is sometimes used to treat female patients. What this procedure does is it lowers your white blood cell count by filtering it out and then returning the rest of your blood to your system. They do this through a catheter. My perm cath was in my chest. It entered right here, and then right below it, some tubes came out. The surgery is minor. I was awake for it. Doesn't last very long. They pull out your blood. Sounds horrible, but it's not. They filter it with this machine for about 4 hours usually. And they pull out as many white blood cells as they can. They skim it off the top. And then they return everything else back to you. Doesn't hurt. It's drug free. Sometimes afterwards you can be tired because it will make you very anemic, and it's tiring. But other than that, it's great. There's no side effects, and it can be very successful. Bone marrow biopsies are something that every female patient hates, but it is something that's crucial for our treatment. What they do is they go in with what's like a large needle. They numb you up really well first, and they extract some marrow as well as bone. The whole procedure lasts less than half an hour for me, and the really painful part, it lasts even less than that. It's pretty fast, even though it might not seem like it at the time. The recovery is very fast. It doesn't feel like you actually had a surgery or anything like that. It's like somebody kicked me really hard in the tush. It's going to feel like a really good bruise, but it doesn't last that long. During the procedure, I usually get a drug called Valium, and that really helps me relax through it. I have heard of plenty of people that request not to even be awake for the procedure. So they just go ahead and have an anesthesiologist take care of that. Make sure that you really explore the drug options with your doctor and figure out what works best for you, and make sure you're as comfortable as possible through the procedure. Don't be afraid to ask for more drugs because they can give them to you, and it doesn't have to be horrible and drug-free, and just get as comfortable as possible and it'll be over fast.